one in just 10 minutes. Can't believe it. I just saw McDonald's but I haven't captured it. Wow, para ako nasa ano na, abroad.
It's been 27
years. It's been, of course. Tuyo na, oh, look, there's no water in the stream. What happened? Ang ganda rito, oh. Look at that. Kanina talagang province sa province ang dating nakita dito. Ayan, mga apartment.
The life with you is a dream come.
Oh, nasa dagat na kami.
I take care of you as you take care of me. We stay strong because God wants us to be. Build a home with joy and love. The foundation only from up above. I love you with all my heart. It's you and me forever.
It's just minutes away from the place we stay. Yun talagang province ang dating niya. Just 10 minutes drive away. Parang nasa ano ko, global city. Nag-parking kami ron, no, and Stan has to pay all
58 minutes.
Okay. Sabi ni Stan, we're staying here for hours to explore this place. We started to walk to the village. I think this is another abandoned house. Look, it's another place in north of Spain where you can just enjoy. Ako lang hindi ano rito. I'm in a shady area. Look. I got some beautiful table there made of rocks. You see that? At ito na po, gamit ko ng walking shoes, pero nakabistida ako. I'm wearing this classic outfit, yeah. Outfit parang aatin ang parang wala, ano na yung kanilang mesa. No, nobody use it. Made of concrete. Yun po yung akati namin, mababa lang. And I can see cows on the top. Yan ang aming aakatin. Mababa lang yan, so I don't have to escape. Honey, there's a horsey there. Honey, horsey. Honey, horsey. Natakot ako. Ayun na, nakatingin sa akin, honey. Horse is following me, look. Oh, honey, I don't like that. Here he comes. Baka sipain kasi ito. I'm so scared. Even the cows. Maybe I may experience when I was little. Kaya siguro ganito ako eh. Yung muntik na ako sipain. Baka. Yan si Stan, ang ganda ng suot niya eh. Ako yung suot ko ano eh, gown. Baduy! I'm so baduy! Tara, mile walk. Ito na kami, nasa tuktok na kami. Mile walk, halok mababa lang. Hinihingal na ako. Nakakatindi. We have another stop here in, what place is this? Ramales. We have our lunch here at least. We're not really far away from the hotel.
I see a flame inside me.
Another town in Spain. It's in between Corrientes and Santander.
I found you. My word.
In here is almost 12 o'clock, but surprisingly not hot with my refreshing drink. And the thing is, there's not so many English translation here.
And it's not some referee.
Have you already ordered hamburger?
Yeah. Actually, the nerves are a bit shattered now after all that driving through the zigzaggy road.
So you're getting dizzy now. So this is the menu. The trouble, there's no English translation. Actually, the platos combinados is there's some in it, like for different sort in a plate. Maybe you can have meat, fries, some vegetable, and other stuff. Ensaladas, obviously this salad. So ensalada mixta. This is raciones. I haven't tried any of those yet. Some market in Spain. Slipper shoes, this section. Clothes, belts, nuts, boots. Here. Maybe do you wanna get some bananas, honey? Oh, queso. You wanna get some queso? Wow, it's queso. Food in here. Bags, oh my favorite. Bags and clothes here. Yeah, how much? Didn't say. And some, look at that. Oh, honey. What's that? Some plants here and veggie. Tomato. Potato. You're gonna get some cheese. And nuts here again. It's a big market. Yeah. Very interesting. We're going now after having our hamburger for lunch. This place is called Ramales. This is where we park the car.
I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me.
Ramales de la Victoria. Tamiento de Ramales de la Victoria. Ang haba ng syllables. Grabe. Grabe. Suko na yung beauty ko rito. Suko na sa daming gaganda ng mga view. Yung mga natural beauty. Dito lahat sa north. Caves, rock formation, sea, nice houses made of stone. Like that. For several days now, it's extremely hot. I think this stream gets dry. Okay, I'll translate in Tagalog. Dahil sa sobrang init na mga nakaraang araw, itong stream na nakikita nyo, natuyo na. Ayan, walang katubig-tubig. Mga bato na lang ang natira. Supposed to have water here. Ang accommodation namin. Para sa tingin ko, this is the best one so far. Ang cute niya. Kasi may sarili kaming sofa doon. So yun, ayun. Pating picture frames. Ang ganda. I like the color. I don't know why it's a authentic color. 2 small windows. Ayan na. Ayan na. At least meron kaming upuan dito. Wi-Fi. Ang ganda. I'm so impressed. Yung color niya, it's authentic. It's not so baduy. So another tourist attraction called Cueva de Cobalanas, and pointing to this right. Have to go up again. Pointing this way. The gate is not really attractive and the way going there, I don't know. Should be doing it looks more attractive to the tourists. Anyway, maybe it's not a big deal in there. Huge rock. And then up on top of that rocks are the trees. Giant rock. This is another stopping point going to Cantabria, and some notice here that means prohibito verder basura. I think I understand this basura. That is Tagalog word for rubbish. That means prohibited. My God, you can see the scenery here. Look. Look. Stopping point here. Having our meal to always. So we just stop in another beautiful area. They call the natural monument, the rock formation. Very inviting this time of the year. And these are some picnic tables here made of rocks. In close up. And here I am. It's the background there. Wow! Yeah. Oop, my hand. Arboreto o Hogorenia. And this is the gate to the palace. Look at this. I just saw it in the picture before. Mapapawaw ka sa ganda. Oh, there are 3 doors or 4 doors. That's the big one. Look at that. Of the cave. That's really high. There's another gate coming out and more stairs to climb. And more.
Gonna keep it low,
This is my shadow.
keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Hinihingal na ako.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.
So many to see here.
It's just my
The beautiful rock formation, mountain after mountains. Finally, we're going down. At the bottom of this is the castle. From side to side, left and right.